Hey y'all, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Shan, and today's video is a power hour. I'm gonna be setting my timer for 1 hour and powering through some cleaning today. So if you're ready for some motivation, don't forget to leave a like and go ahead and leave me a comment. I love knowing you're here and watching. And we're gonna start right out in my living room. I'm gonna get this room tidied really quickly so that we can move on and tidy up some more areas around the house. I had zero motivation this day, but I knew if I started a timer that it would get me up and moving, and it works every single time. So I really encourage you to try it. If you're just lagging around and you need to get some stuff done but you're not motivated, try setting that hour one time a day and see how much you can get done. You will really shock yourself.
With you make me move easier. Do you like me too? Do I make you breathe heavier? Oh, I can't understand why you don't wanna be holding hands. Never let me see your true colors blend. Yeah, do you like me too?
If you're new here, once again, my name is Shan. I'm a wife and a mom of two. I make motivational cleaning, laundry, and organizing type videos with a little home decor sprinkle here and there. So if you're interested in that type of content, I would love to have you stick around, join my YouTube family. We are growing, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I would love to have you subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know every single time I upload. I currently upload videos every single Sunday and Wednesday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. I also do weekly subscriber shout outs, so make sure you're leaving those comments so that I can chat with you and get to know you. I truly do enjoy each and every conversation that I have with you guys down in the comment section. It does not go unnoticed, and I will be giving a shout out a little bit later on.
Wear it out. Can I have your heart too? I promise I'll be careful now. But I don't wanna try if what you say is just another lie. Is our love for real or not? Yeah, oh, in love with you. You make me move easier. All my life I've been waiting for the hard times to move on to good times. If you come around, maybe I will get the hopes up. Maybe it's the good love. Time stands still when you call out the name. Maybe it's the good stuff.
My house was not super messy, and I think these are the perfect days to do power hours when you still need to clean but you don't have a ton to clean up. I like to go ahead and do a power hour to just get everything done quickly so I can relax. So now I'm about to clean my table with my orange glow. You already know I absolutely love it. I have gotten a lot of recommendations to try the Method Wood for Good, so I'm gonna buy some and try it out for you guys just to compare and see which one I like the best. But for now, orange glow is my old faithful, okay? It has not done me wrong.
The hopes up, maybe it's the good love. Time stands still when you call.
I am going to put the chairs on top of the table today because I really needed to mop the house this day. It had been a minute since I mopped, and this was the perfect time to mop because the kids were occupied in their bedrooms playing, so I wanted to hurry up and clean and mop all of these floors.
Hard times to move on to good times. If you come around, maybe I will get the hopes up. Maybe it's the good love. Time stands still when you call out the name. Maybe it's the good stuff.
As much as I love my Kaivel stick vacuum, when it comes to vacuuming up cereal, yeah, I'd rather just get out the broom, okay, because it's just going to get it all up and make it so much easier on me. Alright, so we have 32 minutes left on the clock, you guys, and that is perfect time for me to tackle my kitchen. Let me know what room in your house takes the longest to clean. For me, it's probably the kitchen because there's a lot of different things to do in here, so it pretty much takes me a while. Now, when I do a power hour, I seem to clean so much faster. Now, I know I can speed up the video, but I promise you, there's something about that power hour that makes me quick on my feet.
It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
Alright, so today's subscriber shout out is going to go to, a drum roll please. Just kidding, y'all. But today's subscriber shout out goes to Diane. Yes, just Diane. And thank you so much, Diane, for supporting my channel. You are one of my newer subscribers, and you have shown up to every video since you subscribed. And I truly appreciate all of your honest, genuine feedback and your support. So if you guys see Diane's comment, give her some likes, show her some love. She's shown me so much love.
Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love.
And now it's time to finish cleaning off the countertops. I make smoothies just about every day, so my blender is always out, but I don't like to keep it on the countertop because with this big old air fryer right here, it already looks super cluttered to me, and I wish I could store the air fryer somewhere else, but we use that way too often for me to be putting it up and pulling it back out every day.
But you kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss, life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold.
I'm down to 8 minutes on the clock, and honestly, you guys, I decided to just stop the timer at this point. I had my motivation from just starting my timer, but I didn't want to pressure myself to try to finish it within an hour because I knew it just was not happening. Okay, so I am just gonna finish off by doing the floors. Now that little barrier or rope you saw me put up, it goes to my robot vacuum. It's just a way to keep it from going places we don't want it to go. So if you ever see those on the floor, don't be alarmed. We are just roping off places we don't want that robot vacuum going because it can get a little crazy, but it works so well.
Under the sun, I'll be fine and you'll be gone. When nothing's like home, I'm going for the gold. Turning off the cruise control and taking away home.
So these little crevices, for lack of a better word, around the island get so gunky and nasty, and I like to come over and just wipe it down every now and then. So I'm going to use these Clorox wipes since I already had them out from wiping off the trash can and get them all clean.
Nothing's like home. I'm going for the gold. Turning off the cruise control and taking away home.
Now on to the fun part. It is time to pull out my O-Cedar mop. I like to go ahead and rinse it out with some really hot water because these mop buckets get really dirty. So I go ahead and rinse it out, and then I'm going to fill it up with some hot water. I'm using this Mr. Clean antibacterial cleaner as well. I like this, but I really am missing my Pine Sol, but I refuse to buy it until I'm done using this up. So we're gonna get these floors mopped now.
We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leaning down for you. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you? Leaning down for you. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me? I dream that if I can hold you close, you can be my antidote. Let me run away with you tonight. Let us leave the world behind. Give in, keep yourself thinking. Tonight, let go as you're dreaming. I was feeling down low, you just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, we're higher than the ceiling. I'm feeling everything is spinning. I was feeling down low, you just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you?
How often do you guys mop your house, and what do you use to mop your house? I know a lot of people have been using Tide and all kinds of stuff, so just let me know what you like to use. I typically like to use Pine Sol, but like I said, I'm out of it right now. But I don't mind trying different things, so if you think something is just a must try, let me know.
So won't you let me?
Mopping is such a back-breaking workout for me, y'all. I don't know about you, but my back was killing me. But now it is time to put these chairs down and go ahead and get my table fixed up and looking nice.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star. Flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, Getting caught in the maze, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite.
I hope you guys have enjoyed my kinda sorta power hour and found it motivating enough to get up and tackle something around your house today. Set those timers for 1 hour and power through some cleaning. You'll be glad you did. Don't forget to leave this video a like if you do. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure your notification bell is on and set to all so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. And if you're still cleaning along and you want some more motivation, I'm going to link a Power Hour cleaning playlist right here on the screen so we can keep on cleaning along together today. And as always, I love you guys and there is nothing you can do about it.